Hi. Okay, now let us understand subtraction of these polynomials by a different method. I will call it as M2, method number 2. Right? So here also we have to distribute the negative sign of the second polynomial. That means for the terms having positive sign will result in negative sign, and all the terms where we see a negative sign will turn into a positive sign. Say for example, this plus and plus 3x all will become negative, minus 3, minus 6 and minus 7. And all the terms having negative sign will become positive, minus 2x square, minus 4 will become plus 2x square and plus 4, right? So in this method, I will write first polynomial on top and second polynomial at bottom. And second polynomial, I will write it after distributing the negative sign. So this is now we need to consider for second polynomial. Okay, so first polynomial we have 4x to the power 6. I will leave some gap. I'll tell you why. Minus 3x to the power 4 plus 5x to the power 3 minus 2x plus 9. Okay. Alright, so below first polynomial, I have to write second polynomial after distributing the negative sign. And we have to make sure that we are writing similar term from the second polynomial below the first polynomial. So what does that mean? Say for example here, degree of x is 5, right? So degree of this particular term is 5 because we have x to the power 5. So I have to write minus 7x to the power 5 below first polynomial where we have similar power of x. So I need to find out if in first polynomial we have x to the power 5 or not. So in first polynomial, we do not have any term which has a power of 5. So I will write minus 7x to the power 5 separately. Okay, minus 7x to the power 5. Now you understood why I had given little gaps between two terms. Because I do not have a similar power of x in first polynomial. So I cannot write it below any other term. Right? I have to write it separately. And after that, in the second polynomial, we have 2x to the power 4. I need to find out in first polynomial where we have x to the power 4. Here we have minus 3x to the power 4. So I will write 2x to the power 4 below this plus 2x to the power 4. Now from the second polynomial, we have 6x to the power 2. I do not see in the first polynomial we have x to the power 2. So I will write it independently. I will write it separately. 6x to the power 2, then minus 3x will go below minus 2x because we have similar term there, and plus 4 will go below plus 9, right? Now this becomes very simple. We simply need to add these two polynomials to get the result. I am adding these polynomials because I have already distributed the negative sign. Okay, so below 4x to the power 6 we do not have any term, so I will write it as it is. Then 4x to the power 5 we do not have any term, any similar term. So I will write minus 7x to the power 5 as it is. Then for x to the power 4, I will write it x to the power 4 first. Then I have to add these two constants, that is minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, that is minus x to the power 4. Okay. Similarly for x to the power 3, we do not have any term in the second polynomial. So I will write it as 5x to the power 3. Then minus 6x square, same way because there I do not see any similar term. Then for x I will write it as it is. Then I have to add these two constants. So minus 2 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 5. After that plus 13, 9 plus 4 is 13. Here you see this is the result when we subtracted these two polynomials, right? So by following any one method, either first method or second method, we will get the same result. Okay, hope you understood this concept. In my next video, I will bring more such examples, more difficult examples, so that your concept of subtracting two polynomials will become easier, right? Thank you for watching.